everyone, welcome to Rough Bus. So today I am driving a Mercedes-Benz vehicle after a very long time, and I have a beautiful looking Mercedes with me. So this is the Mercedes-Benz CLE. Let's see what all it packs in. Let's start with the front of the vehicle. The car looks absolutely gorgeous. From the front, you get digital headlights over here, and also you only get AMG line variant in India. Over here, you get very beautiful grille with silver stars all over. Piano black finish over here on these accents. Parking sensors over here. Also, you get a very low front over here.
So this is the side profile of the Mercedes-Benz CLE, and as you can see, it's a cabriolet. So of course it's a long vehicle with short interiors. So when we talk about the alloy wheel design over here, you get multi-spoke diamond cut alloys and they measure 19 inches. The tire size is 245/40 R14 and it's currently running on Goodyear tires. And as we progress ahead, you can see the door is quite long. Of course, it's a cabriolet, so you need more space to step inside in the back seat as well. So the door is quite long and it's quite heavy as well. Coming towards the rear end of the car, you can basically see how beautifully the design incorporates into this rear end, and it looks very, very beautiful. So this is what the rear profile of the CLE looks like. And as you can see, the tail lights are quite slim and narrow, but they look absolutely pretty. It's all LED of course, and you have this connected tail light treatment over here, but it doesn't glow in the middle part. And when you talk about the badgings, you get a CLE 300, a 4MATIC of course, because it sends power to all the four wheels. And then you have this chrome treatment in the bumper, and overall it looks very, very catchy. Now when we talk about the boot space, of course, being a cabriolet, you would not expect a lot of boot space, but we still have decent amount over here. Maybe on your weekend trips or when you're out for a joyride, you can pack in small luggages as well. And one more interesting bit, as you can see, the spare tire pretty much eats up all the space inside, and you would think this is for the roof, and you're right. But to have more space when your roof is up, you can simply push this button and this thing goes up. As you can see, the spare tire pretty much eats up all the space that you have over here, and it's already little, and you might think this is for storing the roof because obviously it's a convertible, and you are right. But let me show you one more interesting bit. When you push this button, this part goes up to have more boot space. Isn't that really cool? Because when your roof is up, you can definitely have a lot more boot space. And to fold down the rear seats, you also have two buttons over here for the individual rear seats in case you need more of the storage space.
So you would think that it takes a lot of time in a convertible to put down or put up the roof, but in the Mercedes-Benz CLE, it only takes 20 seconds. Also, you can do this up to the speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So let's check it out. How cool is that? So as soon as you get inside the Mercedes-Benz CLE, you feel that how luxurious and how beautiful this car is. We keep on repeating beautiful, 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 because this car is actually that good. So when you step inside the car, you can see that there's kind of carbon fiber type of material used over here on the dashboard, on the center console. Then you get a touchscreen over here, all the features that you'd expect from a modern day car. Also, it gets a very interesting feature, that is, look at this, the screen tilts. So this is to avoid glare on your screen when your roof is open. How cool is that? If you've been in a C-Class, I'm sure you've been in a CLE. The interior pretty much looks very same. The CLE gets various theme and color options for your interior choice. Right now, this has a very beautiful red and black theme, which is my personal favorite. And a car like CLE definitely deserves something as bold as red. The seats are very well crafted and it looks absolutely beautiful. Also, the seats are very comfortable. It is something that you'd expect from a Mercedes-Benz. You would ask what this vent kind of thing is over here on the seat. So this is a vent and it blows warm air around your neck, which is also useful when you're driving in a chilly weather. And Mercedes-Benz calls it air scarf. Also, you can toggle it on or off from this button over here. Also, you get ventilated seats. One more very interesting bit, you also get wind deflector for both front and rear. Look at that. This is because it prevents wind from messing with your hair. Moving forward on the center console, you get one wireless charger over here. There's one C type. There's some space over here, 2 cup holders. As you move ahead, these buttons are to put down and put up your roof. Also, there's one separate button for your air deflector. You have a little bit of storage space over here on the center console and 2 Type-C chargers over here again.
Well, yes, the CLE being a convertible, a coupe, you also have the back seats. Now, we all have been tempted enough to jump and get into the back seat. After all, we have played a lot of video games, we've seen the movies and all, but no, that's not how you do it. You simply open the door and you have this strap over here. You have to pull it and put it like this. The seat goes ahead on its own and now you can simply walk in, sit down, close the front door and put it into place. It slides back to the original position which it was previously set in, and as you can see, it's still spacious. It's good. Of course, you would not expect loads of legroom in a cabriolet or particularly in a 2-door car, but it's pretty good. And as you can see, it's strictly a 2-seater. There's no middle seat. You cannot even accommodate a passenger over here. There's no place to put in the leg for a third passenger. So yes, it's a 2-seater at the back. The seats are pretty well cushioned. The backrest is of course a little upright because you have to put the roof down back there. And talking about the features and goodies that you have, you get twin cup holders, some little storage space, some more storage space over here, and 2 AC vents as well. Of course, it's a Mercedes, so it has got to be luxurious. And as you can see, every bit inside, even for the rear passenger, is soft touch and it's finished in very high quality materials. And interestingly, it also gets the Burmester sound system and it is just phenomenal. The sound quality just immerses you in the music experience and I just love it.
The 258 horsepower 2-liter turbo petrol engine is very smooth and it delivers power in a gentle and steady way. Instead of jumping forward every time you press the accelerator, the CLE builds speed smoothly. It does feel a bit more lively when you switch from comfort to sport mode. Even so, this car doesn't make you want to drive fast around the corners. It's more about relaxed cruising with the roof down. At high engine speeds, you'd hear a light exhaust note, but it's not very loud. It goes from 0 to 100 in just 6.7 seconds, and the 9-speed automatic gearbox works smoothly and efficiently.
My first impression would be it is so smooth. The refinement is just next level. It doesn't even feel like you're driving an ICE car. It feels like an EV almost. It's that smooth, that silent. The experience of just cruising around in the CLE is unmatched. It has put this wide smile on my face for a reason. The international variant of the CLE comes with the adaptive suspension, which of course includes the air suspension. But in India, we have the regular steel setup over here. and the suspension has been tuned so very perfectly, it just absorbs everything that comes in its way. It is so smooth, so comfortable. Actually, the CLE has been positioned in such a way that it is intended to be a smooth and calm cruiser with a drop top, and that's how it has been positioned, because we also have the E53, which is of course the performance oriented roadster that you would get, and we also have the SL, which aims for the luxury segment. But the CLE is definitely something which will definitely steal your heart. When the steering setup has been tuned in a way that it feels light, and the CLE just feels so effortless to handle even in corners or even when you're driving in traffic. It is easy to maneuver, but also has that hefty side to it, because when you switch to the sports mode, you can actually feel the steering getting heavier with more response. So it has been tuned perfectly. So when you end up driving your CLE enthusiastically, you can also notice that it has a lot of grip on offer. So when you are throwing it around in the corners, you can have that confidence that yes, it will effortlessly go in that, because all thanks to the 4MATIC system on offer. Okay, so we were just going around and just checking out the settings and everything what all this MBUX system has, and we just discovered one interesting thing. You can go to the apps, and in case you're bored, which is not likely to happen in the CLE of course, but even if you just want to have some sort of entertainment, you have games over here. You have Sudoku, and as you can see there's level 1, and here it goes. And I go back, there's Shuffle Puck, and it's a 2-player. Can you imagine 2 people can enjoy the game? See, you can just play like this. And one more game we have the pairs, and here we have to match the cards. Again, it's a 2-player game, and when you take a look, these are not just any random cards. These are the Mercedes cars, and the cards are all about the Mercedes car pictures, different types of themes and everything, but it is all Mercedes based. How interesting is this? You have games in your cars. How far we have come in terms of technology. The augmented reality heads-up display is so brilliant. It feels as if it is coming up on the whole windshield. So brilliant. Just look at it.
तेरे अंदर का मर्सिडीज फैन बॉय एकदम जाग के पागल हो गया, राइट राज?
हाँ, बचपन का जो था फैन बॉय, I think it is coming back now.
Look at how it is pulsating. Look at that. Oh, it stopped. A little attention to detail. I think this is what makes it a Mercedes-Benz. Love it. Let's check out the light show. Look at that! Oh my god. Okay guys, so we forgot recording our verdict yesterday.
We were so excited about the CLE कि we forgot कि verdict भी लेना है.
I swear यार, ये चलाते चले जा रहे हैं और कुछ होश ही नहीं, काम भी करना है कि नहीं. Okay, so honestly speaking, the Mercedes-Benz CLE is a beautiful, drop-dead gorgeous. What else? I think the words that I'm going to use to explain its beauty, its performance, everything about it will always be an understatement, because the car is way more than everything. It is a beautiful looking car. It drives very nice. It's very smooth, and the kind of features on offer are mind blowing. I think anyways a convertible, that too if it's a CLE, I think you have to buy one to experience it yourself. And I just can't contain my happiness already. I mean, there's so much. I think you must have watched the whole vlog and you could see that there are so many hidden features that So, for example, there's games for passenger. The vents that are there over here on your seat. Little attention to detail. They have actually done everything perfectly. So I think it's a perfect pick, more than perfect. If only I had money, I would have bought one immediately.
Seriously, and even I have been a big time fan of convertibles and cabriolets. So now seeing
Also
that,
being a Mercedes.
yeah, of course, it's a Mercedes and a cabriolet, so the best combo out there. The interiors are super luxurious. You would not expect that a cabriolet would have such good interiors. Everything inside feels so good to touch. There's soft touch material everywhere.
Yeah.
Everything feels solid. And more than the feel or the experience of the things around, it is the beauty.
Absolutely.
The way it has been designed, the color combination, especially in this red interior, it looks very, very pretty, very pretty. And of course, as Nikki already said, that it drives great. It has got a lot of features. So all of those things really make the CLE a very attractive buy. And yes, it has just won my heart.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this vlog, and we'll see you all next time. Bye bye.